Hey guys, it's Jessica with Lake Charles Toyota, and I'm here with a SE hybrid Camry, and I wanted to show you something really cool that we had installed on it. It's a touch keypad system. It's going to be here on our windshield. Now I'm going to try and block y'all as much as I can from the wind, but the wind is just everywhere I go. So it's going to be right here on your windshield, and I'm going to try and talk over the wind for y'all. What we're going to do in order to activate it is we're just going to simply turn on the code, or touch the keypad to turn on the code pad. We're going to be able to type in our chosen code, and without the key, we'll be able to open up the doors. Now, obviously I don't have the key with me because if I did, it would be locking. So let's go ahead and lock our car back, turn on our keypad, push these two, the 3 and the 7. That's going to lock the doors back. Now, let's say you need to get something out of the back seat. You can, in fact, unlock all of the doors by typing in the code that you have chosen and holding down on the last digit. If you go ahead and do that, you'll be able to open the back door as well as the front doors and get whatever you need out. Now I don't ever recommend locking your keys in the car, but I do understand that sometimes you go on a family vacation, you're out at the beach, maybe out hiking, you don't want to carry your keys with you. This does allow you to lock your smart key into the car and get back into the car. So if you guys have any other questions or want to see something like that again, let me know and I'll get you taken care of. Thanks for watching.